In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file name in OneDrive. We'll walk through the process in the OneDrive website so you can quickly update a file name and keep your storage organized. Open your preferred web browser and go to the OneDrive homepage. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Microsoft account first. Once the OneDrive home screen loads, look to the left side panel. You'll see the main navigation area, and among those options is My Files. This is where all the files and folders in your OneDrive are listed. Click My Files to open your library. Now browse to the file you want to rename. You can scroll through the list or open folders until you find it. When you've located the file, click on it to select it. If a preview opens, that's okay. Just return to the file list so the item remains selected. Having the file selected is what makes the rename options appear. With the file selected, look to the top command bar in OneDrive. You'll see a rename option there. Click Rename to start editing the file's name. If you prefer, there's another way to get to the same place. Right-click the file in the list to open the context menu, then choose Rename. Either method works exactly the same, so use whichever feels more natural. A small dialog or inline field will appear with the current file name highlighted. Type the new name you want to use. Be sure to keep the file extension at the end, such as .docx, .xlsx, PDF, or .jpg, so your file opens correctly in the right app. Avoid using characters that OneDrive doesn't allow in file names, like slashes, asterisks, or colons. If the name you enter is already in use in the same folder, OneDrive will prompt you to choose a different one. When you're happy with the new name, click Update to confirm the change. OneDrive will save it immediately. If your files are syncing to your computer or other devices, you'll see the new name appear across all connected devices shortly after. That's all there is to it. Open OneDrive on the web, go to My Files, select your item, choose Rename from the top bar or the right-click menu, type the new name, and click Update. A clear, consistent naming convention will make everything easier to find later, and this quick rename workflow helps keep your OneDrive tidy and searchable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again anytime you need to rename more files.